Well, I do think that with the passing of the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, CHIPS and Science, and the Inflation Reduction Act, today we have a policy framework that is in place providing certainty for 10 years. Now, people may not love it, and some people may like it a lot, but it is certainty, right? And so the real question now is, now that we have these policy mechanisms in place, who wants to participate in clean hydrogen, carbon sequestration and storage, nuclear power, right? I mean, all of these different technologies that we're looking at, the policy certainty is now there, right? Some people may love it, some people may think that it could have been done better, but I think it's there now, and you're seeing an extraordinary amount of capital formation, particularly in the United States, with this coming in, which I think is critical, because with that capital formation comes cost reduction, right? The first projects are always more expensive, then the second, and then the 10th one, and the 20th one is cheaper. And once we get these technologies to be fully cost effective, we can then start to export these solutions to all of the countries around the world pursuing decarbonization.
There's a lot of kickstarting of these industries. You've seen it in wind and solar. Today, the wind and solar markets, so renewable power, the world's invested over $450 billion, which for the first time historically, it's a turning point, has been larger than what was invested in upstream. So at this conference, it's a very interesting mechanism to see what public initiatives can get started and how large these sectors can grow over time. And we think CCS will be no different.
In terms of innovative financing models for low carbon investment, I would like to take a more broad-based approach to what counts as low carbon. Again, the objective is to have more energy at a lower cost that's geopolitically secure with lower carbon intensity. We're trying to solve for all four of these things. That can be areas like solar and wind. That can be areas like decarbonizing natural gas. And let's stop worrying about the exact molecule that makes it. Let's look at the end characteristics.